Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. And for today's video, kami ay mag-educational tour. Yes. Hi ma'am, say hi to my vlog. Yes. Say hi to my vlog. Checking in. Check in. Yes. Yes. No. Aki duwa ka man siya gali. So vlog today nagapila kami para mag-check-in. Ano kami? Kasi para meron na may RO. May liquids din, may liquids. Wala ko pala. Change outfit. Ay pag-abot gali sa Manila, direkta na gali. Hindi ako pala ilis. Hindi ko nag-ilis sa airport. So guys, delayed yung flight namin. Say hi. Hi guys. So we finally got in. Oh my gosh, color yellow. You see that? It's yellow. So guys, kapila kami. Color yellow. Pwede na lang ko kay yellow. Ako at mga tropa, ito na sa una. Ako yung min-separate sa ila. Ako lang yun.
Go passengers, please please on your seatbelt security fasten. Thank you. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically
Ilang paghahanda sa ating paglapag, mangyari pong ikabit ang seatbelt. Ituwid ang sandalan ng inyong upuan. Tiklopin ang tray tables. With connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our
Alis na. Thank you. Thank you. Loko kabalo din akong friends. Loko kabalo din si sir. Pagkabalo din sila tanan. Bahala na. Yes. Yes. Yay!
Anong bal mo rin?
Video mo daw. Ako di man eh. Hindi ko ba sigurado kung ako ito lang.
Uy, between 8 mga bal, sir. Sige, maulat pa man sa iba. Tayo na yun.
Art.
Tsaka man ang
Sakto. Apple.
Wala pa ako. Uy, ginakabahan ako.
Wag na nito. Ato. Ay, dinig mo yun. We have arrived. Yes. Hi guys. Hi. Yeah. Yes. Where's Honey? Oh, you're there, Honey? I'm looking for Honey. Yeah. Hi. Ay, wow, jogging.
Yes po. Wait lang.
Food.
Construction Corporation. Project po yan, kapanahunan po ni President Fidel Díaz.
So guys, nag-go kami sa 27th floor. Supposed to be sa 24th lang gali kami. Tapos wala kami guide. Decision na kami. Say hi to my vlog. Hi vlog. Hi vlogger. Meta AI, bigyan mo na ako. Ay. Ah, dito gali oh. Dito sila ni. Din kami ni. Freshie.
Sa likod kami ng Queens. I bought that property 2017.
Thank you.
So guys, tapos na yung amin COL Finance. Yes. Sir, thank you so much. Yes. I learned a lot. And we got free stickers. Everything. Ano kwento mo? So guys, finish na amon COL Financing Seminar. We learned a lot about stocks, investing, dividends, and etc. Ikaw din.
Hi vlog. Vlog ka?
Yes, I'm vlogging.
I got the dress that makes me a princess.
I guess.
Hi guys.
So guys, we are here na sa bus. This is Honey Grace, Armin Light, and Jabon Navarro. Yes.
Jovi.
Joby. And girls at the back.
Say hi to Hearts Vlog.
Yes. And today we are going to eat lunch na. Lunchtime, KFC.
Open tayo ng
Let's see what's inside. Wow! Oh. Chicken, mushroom, and soup and gravy. It's good. BGC! So guys, our next location is the PSE, or also known as Philippine Stocks Exchange Commission. Here at BGC. Or joke lang Philippine Stock Commission. Philippine Stock Commission. Philippine Stock Exchange yan guys, sorry. Yung sleep kasi namin is only 2 hours, 1 hour. Yung iba sa amin wala tulog.
Companies are actually oil companies. The Atlas, you'll see an example of this order ticket in the photos. Just the Lehman stock. Just in case, but we are not celebrating the 100 years, but of course we're celebrating kung kailan siya nag...
Tapos na kami sa first part ng PSE. Next, we're going to the library.
This portal, no?
Disrespect.
Pwede bang pumunta sa ibang bansa?
Oh, pa-picture.
May aswang yan.
Kapre.
Financial ratios, yung mga ganun type. So, we also have printed newspapers pa rin. Ayan. So, ito siya. The shares, ano. So, most of the reports here regarding companies, galing din siya sa PSE Edge. PSE Edge is an online...
Search ba may market
Ano ba ito? PNB ako.
One by PSE and one is by First Metro Securities, one of our partner brokers.
Organizers, just in case you'd like to get a copy of the presentation materials, get in touch with Camila. I gave PSE the authority to share yung materials.
So guys, tapos na kami sa Philippine Stock Exchange or PSE. And today, our day 1 tour is tapos na. I don't know where to go now. That's all. Bye.